Hello, hello, and welcome to the best Amazon finds you didn't know you needed. You guys know I test out a lot of Amazon products. It's like one of my favorite things. So I don't know what it's been recently. It's just everything is checking all the boxes for me. So I put all those items into a pile and I put them in this video. There's a whole range. There's a little bit of everything in this video. So make sure to stay tuned to the end. And then everything that I've shared in today's video will be listed down in the description box in the order that I've shared them in today's video. So it's super simple to shop. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're gonna kick it off with, well, all of these are my favorite, but this one I think is genius. So if you have a small space or you're traveling and you don't know what the vanity space is gonna be like, maybe you're just traveling with a lot of people and you know there's not gonna be a lot of counter space. This is a foldable little bathroom sink cover. And let me tell you, it's just genius. They have like a little circle in the top so you can still wash your hands through it. It's a nice like non-slip grip too. So once you put it on your counter, you don't have to worry about, oh, is all my stuff gonna knock off on the floor? It comes in a black and like an off-white version. I went with the off-white version and it literally will put, so if you have all of your cosmetics in a bag, you can just lay them out each morning, put your curling iron on there. There have been so many times where I've just like not had enough room to put like my straightener or my curling iron with like other beauty products. So this has amazing reviews on Amazon and there's a reason why. I feel like this is like that hidden gem that once enough people find out about it, it's gonna be like viral. All right, so it's that time of year where everybody has their trips planned, vacations, and I actually did a whole YouTube video, I can leave it up here, on my Amazon travel must-haves. And so I've gotten, so many guys have DM'd me saying, oh, like your video was so helpful and I'm so glad you loved it. One of my favorites though from that video that it took me the longest time to jump on the train of packing cubes. I was like, what is really the point of a packing cube? Well, here's the thing. So when you open up your suitcase, once you've flown, you're at your destination, usually all of your items are jumbled throughout your entire suitcase. It's annoying. So when you use these packing cubes, if you're an organized person, like I thrive off of organization. So you can put like your undergarments, your swimsuits, your sleeping clothes, your dirty clothes, your shoes, and then when you can always have them separate. And then when you enter your destination, you open up your suitcase, it literally looks like you just put it all together. And it's also great as you kind of go throughout your vacation, you can put dirty clothes in a separate compartment so it's not like with your clean clothes. Guys, it's just a game changer. And I love this set from Amazon. It comes in a lot of color options and it's always running on deal, I feel. This is one of my favorites. If you are a sweet tooth lover, but you want to keep it a little healthy, this is one of my favorite items to use. This is called the Yonanis Maker. So essentially, it comes with this whole really cute cookbook or like recipe book of really sweet treats that you can make. And most of them, the base of them is a banana. So it's kind of like nice cream, like banana ice cream. And you guys, it is so delicious. Like we've tried so many of the different recipes. And one of our favorites is the Oreo one. If you like get this, you can look in the recipe book. Literally, you guys, it's like a cookies and cream ice cream, but so much healthier. So if you have little kiddos, this might be a great thing to grab this summer, but beware, you're gonna go through the bananas. Another aesthetic Amazon find that I've been loving is this little bedside gym. So essentially you can just put some water in this. So if you take like some vitamins or pills or whatever before you go to sleep, you have that little canister there because you can just fill it with water, and then it has like a little cup that just sits on the top that you can use to actually drink something. Maybe you tend to get thirsty throughout the night. It's there in case you need it, and it looks so aesthetic. You wouldn't even need to use this for like drinking, which is kind of the purpose of it, but it looks gorgeous there. It's just like a little, and as a little like nightstand decor. All right, so I love to do Amazon Reels over on Instagram, and I have gotten a lot of questions on this specific chair. It's this cute little accent chair that has very expensive looks for less, and I love it. It's been like timeless. I got it like over a year ago. It's not too heavy, so it's easy to move around, and it's comfortable. Like you can actually use it, and I feel like it kind of has that like boho chic kind of style. I'm obsessed. All right, all of my espresso lovers, I feel like the Keurig has always had like little Keurig cups that look so cute and aesthetic. Well, I found this one for espresso pods, guys. I love my espresso. Like I look forward to my first cup of coffee every single morning. Anybody else? So I found this little Nespresso Pod Holder, but then I think it just looks so cute because of the way that you can kind of style it. So I actually put some decor on top of it because my Nespresso wouldn't fit on top of it with like the size of our cabinets. So I just put the Nespresso right beside it, and I love the look of it. Comes in a lot of color options. I just went with a typical bamboo because that's what kind of matched our specific kitchen. But if you don't follow me me on Instagram, we're actually building a house and we move in this summer. So we're gonna have a white cabinet. So I should just go ahead and grab this in the white, or maybe I could paint it. I don't know, we'll see. But this one is a gem. I feel like I love how it has all of my pods laid out, different flavors, and I also know when it's starting to go low. But no worries, if you're like, Alina, I have a Keurig, I will have one of my favorite aesthetic ones listed down below. Speaking of the kitchen, you guys, these drawer organizers are my favorite. So I know we all have those like awkward drawers in our house. Maybe it's like your office desk that's like oddly like wide and long, and you've never been able to find like drawer organizers that you loved. Here is the best. Number one, they have like a no slip on either side so they'll stay in place, but also it comes with more color options. Again, if you're looking for white, they have that option. We had that kind of like unfinished wood, so we went with the wood. And here's another trick. People also love to use these for their like Keurig and K-cup holders, so you can kind of like align them and it looks all aesthetic and cute. You can use these for really anything in your kitchen, in your bedroom, in your vanity, in your office desk, like so many ways that you can use these. There is a reason why these have been an absolute bestseller. You guys, I have repurchased these like 3 times. They're my favorite. So if you have outfits, tops, dresses that you can't wear a normal bra with, these are a game changer. There's a reason why these are a bestseller. So essentially these are just Stickies and they do not budge. These are my favorite and they're easy to clean. You can just run them under some water. They're good to go the next time. And I love that it comes with this little case here. So if you're traveling, I always travel with this little box. And I also love that it just kind of keeps it in one place because they are like your skin tone. They're meant to be your skin tone. So they blend in with things around you. So love this little case. I swear all of my friends have these and everyone's just like, it's the best, like game changer with clothing pieces. So this is kind of like that little fashion hack. I put these in my TikToks, all of the things, and they're always a fan favorite. You know, the whole slick back look is very on trend right now. Well, maybe you're just someone who has a lot of like flyaways or baby hairs. So I had a baby 11 months ago now, and I'm getting a lot of like regrowth up here. So I have these like crazy little baby hairs. You guys, I've not put this in yet, but this today, that's why it was because I want to be able to show you like the small pieces. This is the best little finishing stick. And get this, it doesn't make your hair look greasy. That was always the kicker for me. I never liked these like wax stick, like oils that people would put in their hair because it would make their hair look so greasy, which it's fine for some people love that look. And I'm totally fine with it. But for me personally, I don't know. I just couldn't do it. So this is essentially like, it looks like a mascara and like literally a mascara wand. You just take it and you run it over. I'm trying to see like through the frame of my camera. So you just put it like that and it doesn't look greasy, but it will hold those flyaways. It's like glue in your hair, but you still can style your hair and things like that. It's just like a magical little product. Also, if you do an updo, this does a really great job at keeping all of those baby hairs away as well. So this comes in a pack of 2. The other makeup item I feel like I've been like digging for is a good cream bronzer that blended seamlessly. You guys, this is an expensive look for less. This is by, I don't know, it's called Haida Beauty on Amazon. And it looks a lot like Tarte, you guys. So it has like the little brush applicator on the bottom. So I will just tap this on my cheekbones and you guys, it blends like a dream. It doesn't break me out. None of these products break me out. And that says something because I have very sensitive skin. I just blend it out with a little brush and it gives the most beautiful natural bronze, the glowy summer bronze that we're all looking for without being heavy, cakey, or just like you can tell like it doesn't blend well, you know? So this, let me tell you, if you need one beauty product from this video, I'm gonna be honest, I use all of them every single day. So this is amazing. And I always feel like I'm looking for a really good long wearing lip color. This one is the Super Stay Ink Crayon. This is what I've been wearing in a lot of my recent YouTube videos. And I tell you, this is one of the most long wearing lip colors and I forget that I'm wearing it. So like when I've also had a cold like the past 2 weeks, I'm blowing my nose a lot and usually it'll like wipe everything off around here and it stayed super, super well. It comes in tons of color options. It literally just looks like a little crayon and it lasts for so long. So if you're, drinking, you're eating and things like that, like it's going to last. This is one of my favorites that I have on the grind, which is more of like a darker, like neutral brown color. color and I'm here for it. So I've kind of been trying to find like beauty gems on Amazon, and I've done testing out a lot of products. And first of all, let's talk about this clear makeup bag. So I was on the hunt for a clear makeup bag specifically because when you travel and you have certain items like your skincare, maybe your foundation, a perfume that could easily explode, I love to have a case like this so that if something happens, it'll be fine, you know? I also like to put makeup brushes in here because those things like tend to just get dirty. So it has two little sides here. It actually has a little like strap here that you can keep like your makeup brushes in, then a whole other compartment on the other side. So this is definitely a favorite. It comes in a pink and also black if you're not into the pink color. Also, when I was like searching for a good makeup bag, the clear one, I found this one by the same brand and it's really good. So some of these can be really bulky and big, and I feel like the actual weight of this is very light. So this would be perfect to travel with, and it opens up 4 different layers. So you can just hang this up. So if you're traveling, you can literally fit all of your necessities in here, brushes, makeup products. It has another little like a Velcro attachment down here that's great. And this does come in a few color options, but I'm really liking this particular brand, and it's easy to wipe clean too. So something spills, you're good. This little bracelet, you guys, is so cute. It's kind of like that infinity, lightweight. It's just like one of those that you just slide onto your wrist. And this is actually a permanent bracelet because I know I'll get questions on that. So I just feel like this dainty style looks stunning with like just all of your jewelry. It's so beautiful. All right, I know we all love a good Lululemon find around here. You guys, I'm obsessed with these shorts. I have them in more than one color. They are just like the most flattering, comfortable, practical pair of shorts. Wear my true to size small. It does have the built-in little underwear right here, which is also great. These are like practical for just like wearing super casual. Then also if you want to work out in, these are a go-to. So just preface this by saying it's such a good Lululemon look for less, and they're really that good. Okay, but if you have a special occasion or a wedding coming up, you guys, I love this dress so much. I actually have shared it in the gorgeous lilac color as well, which is what the little B-roll clip is. It's just this, I love the design of it. It's like a one shoulder, perfect excuse to use those little pasties that I shared earlier. And then just like the asymmetrical design of it is just stunning. Runs true to size, so beautiful. And the little like side slit action, I feel like just adds to it. Like there's so much character to this little dress. So yes, this is a must. All right, I know that it is concert season, so I was kind of on the hunt for like a good clear bag. Perfect because it's easy to dress up. So oftentimes when you're going out to the concert, you don't just want like any clear bag. You want it to be just a little bit dressier. So I love this one. I love the gold detail. It does have a removable little strap here. It's just like an easy open, and you can fit all of your necessities in here. And sometimes, okay, so I know this kind of defeats the purpose of a purse, but sometimes if you just want to like add this to your outfit but not really put anything into it, it looks really cute that way too. So it's just like this gorgeous little rectangle with the chain. Here's your next concert bag. And I wouldn't normally wear these with this outfit. It's more of like a dressier look, but are they not the cutest earrings ever? And they're like that pop of fun without being like too much. So this will go with so many different looks. And guys, I'm an earring girl at heart, so these just make me happy. Also, they're very lightweight. Like you really can't even feel them in your ear, which you know they're good. So next up is actually going to be this long white button down. You guys, this is actually a men's button down, but I have paired this with so many different looks recently. I just roll up the arms. It's nice like lightweight material. I actually sized up to a men's extra large. It's long enough that it covers the bum. I just wear like a cute tank, my favorite Amazon denim shorts, and it's like just a go-to easy throw on look for me. I've been obsessed with it. So for shoes, you guys, I have been obsessed with these New Balance sneakers. They've been going viral all over, and I feel like they're kind of hard to get, but this particular color, this super trendy color, is fully in stock right now on Amazon. It's like you're walking on a cloud. There's a reason why these are bestsellers. It has a nice traction on there. It's so comfortable. It has all this padding in here. I am wearing my true to size 9, and it looks so cute with like more athletic outfits, but then also like jeans. So it's the best of all worlds. Alrighty friends, that's going to conclude today's video. If you love this and want to see more from Amazon, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to hit subscribe because we talk a lot of Amazon here, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye friend.